Hi everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Today I'd like to show you how I came up with this look. I had this makeup on in the December, January Empties video, and several of you were very kind and said that it was very pretty and if I could do a tutorial on this look. I hope I recreated it as best as I could. Y'all were all very sweet, very wonderful. I appreciate every one of you guys. This is just a wonderful, loving community and I'm just glad to be a part of it. But yeah, it was fun doing this look again, actually. Blue shadows kind of scare me a little bit because, you know, I grew up in the 80s and when you see blue eyeshadows, it just was kind of that baby blue, all over the crease, all over the lid type look. But now I'm kind of, you know, going out of my comfort zone and trying different colors, different shades, different looks. Different, you know, using a white eyeliner instead of using my black eyeliner pen that I love. It's just makeup. Makeup is fun, and if you don't like it, you know, you can just wash it off and start all over again. And I have to say that one of my nephews mentioned that it looked patriotic, and I noticed that President's Day is coming up on Monday, February 18th. So depending on when this video will come up, either the 17th or on President's Day, I thought it would be kind of fitting. You know, a little patriotic look, red, white, and blue. You know, red for the crease, white for the waterline, and you know I love my black eyeliner, so I use white for this look, and blue on the lid, so red, white, and blue. And the palette that I use for this look, it is by Juvia's Place, the Saharan II. Love her shadows. Love the covers that she used on these, and here are the shades. Right here in this palette, of course, I use the blues for this look, and I used all three of these in the bottom row. And this peach shade right here, it is beautiful for spring. Let me swatch this one for you. I mean, I cannot wait to use this shade right here. I mean, that's going to be a beautiful spring look right there. I have several of Juvia's Place palettes. I mean, yeah, I have a collection, and they're very reasonably priced. I believe this one cost $20 and she'll have sales 30 or 40% off, but this is the one that I use for this blue look, this patriotic look. But anywho, let me go ahead and show you how I came up with this look, and I'll see you on the other side. Alright, let's see if I can recreate this look. First, I'm going to prime my eyes with the Revlon Color Stay eyeshadow primer and just use my finger and pat it on. And you know, I haven't been setting my eyeshadow primer with powder. I think it's kind of good. You know, sometimes change is nice. But let's go ahead and go in with the Saharan II by Juvia's. This is the palette that I use to create that look. And using the Tom Ford number 13 blending brush. And I'm going to go in with this shade right here on the bottom corner. The shade is called Taza. It's written in white. It has a white font on yellow background, so I can't see it very well. But I'll put the names down here for you guys. Again with the Tom Ford brush and going in with this shade right here, Taza. And tapping off. And then put that in my crease and slightly above with a light hand because this is a darker shade. And then just bring it out and up on the corner there. And then just blend, blend, blend. Now going in with the Goss number 6. It's like a flat tapered crease brush, and I'm going in with this shade right here. I believe it's called Zora. Again, I'll write down the names here for you guys, but I'm just going to lightly tap that in because these shades are very pigmented. So just lightly tap, and I'm going to concentrate this one in the crease, and that's really nice about this brush because you can focus the shade in the crease with this brush. And then blend that out. And what I like to do sometimes is look down so I can see where that shade is and just, you know, place it wherever it needs to be. Because I don't have the smooth eyes. I've got mature eyelids, very crepey, very loose, so this helps. And then just blend that in because let me tell you, these shadows are very pigmented. Okay, how does that look? Can you see the difference in the shades there? Very nice, huh? Now I'm going in with the Goss number 20, and I'm going to go in with this deep brown shade right here, Fez. You know, it's that red cap that they wear in the Middle East. Very lightly tap. Very lightly tap. And I'm going to concentrate that in the outer corner of my eye. Using the Tom Ford brush with no product on it and just kind of blend out the harsh edges of the shadows. Now for the fun part with metallic shades. I'm going to go in with this pretty turquoise blue right here. I believe it's called Berber. And I always like to use my finger. And I'm going to place that in the middle of my lid, away from the dark brown and from the inner corner. Just pack that on right there. Okay, cleaning my finger, and now we're going to go in with this beautiful ice blue shade right here. And I'm going to write that name down here because it is a long name. Chef Chowie. I believe that's how you say it. But yeah, this beautiful ice blue shade. Again with my finger, and I'm going to place that in the inner corner of my eye. And just slightly go over Berber. Real pretty. You know, to give it a little pop there. And then just kind of look in the mirror to see, you know, what needs to be tweaked here and there. But I think so far it looks even in the mirror for me. But we will see how it plays back in the video. I'm going to deepen up the outer corners some more with this shade right here, Fez. Just to give it a little bit more dimension there. A little bit more deeper. Alright, to deepen up some more, let me go back with a Tom Ford and just kind of blend that harsh line out some more. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. I'm hoping it looks pretty good. Again, I am not a makeup artist. I keep saying this. This is just me having fun with makeup. And blue shadows are a little scary for me. But, you know, it's kind of fun, actually. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm going to use the Benefit Precisely My Brow in the shade number 4. And I'll do that one off camera so it won't be too boring for you guys. Alright, my brows look a lot better. Now I'm going to clean underneath my eyes. There wasn't that much fallout with these metallic shades, just, you know, right here in the inner corner because of my fingers. So I'm going to clean that off very gently because I don't want to pull my skin more than I need to. And then just kind of clean up this area right here. Give me a straight line. Alright, now that I wiped underneath my eyes, I'm going to kind of rehydrate it a little bit here with the Nyod, the Fractionated Eye Contour Concentrate. It's just something I like, just to give it back some moisture. Because my eyes are kind of dry underneath there, but yeah, this kind of helps. Now go for my black eyeliner. This is the Mellow Cosmetics eyeliner pen, and just kind of, you know, go above my lash line here to give me that dramatic look. Love this eyeliner pen, love it. It's very pigmented and it glides on very nicely on my lids. I really do like this. Alright, now I'm going to prime my face with the VDL Lumi Layer Primer. Really enjoy this primer too. That brightened me up, didn't it? I've been using this Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade number 210, and I'm really enjoying this. I think this may be showing up in my favorites for February. I'm going to dab that underneath my eyes here. And using the sponge to blend it out by Elcie. I really like it because of the pointy tip. It can really get into the corner right there. Yeah, this concealer is spreading out very nicely too. First I thought it was a little light, but I kind of like it. Of course, depending on the foundation I'm using, but so far I've really enjoyed using this concealer. It doesn't crease up on me, which is really nice. It doesn't dry up on me also. Going in with the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation in the shade M70. And I'm using the Sigma foundation brush to spread that out. Alright, been really enjoying this foundation too. It's really nice for my skin. Really do like it. Now I'm going to go underneath my eyes, and I'm using this small brush. It was in the Dose of Colors palette there. I really do like this for underneath my eyes. And I'm going to go in with the first shade that I use and put that underneath my lash line here on the bottom. And then with the second shade here, and just kind of concentrate more on the outer V. Oh, let's go ahead and go all the way in. Doesn't hurt. And then going in with this deep brown shade here, and we're just going to put that one on the outer corner here. Now for the tricky part. You all know I love using my black eyeliner pencil in my lash line, waterline, everywhere. But in that video, I used two different colors. I used the black one for the upper lash line, and then I used a white one for the bottom waterline. Yeah, inside the eye. Yeah, inside the eye. First, let me show you the black one here. This is by Essence. Love this pencil. It's only like $3. And I will only put that in the top waterline. Very carefully, just put that up there. Yep. To get my eyes that deeper black color there. Okay, that's good. Just kind of deepened it up a little bit. Then using this one by Makeup Forever, and I'm sorry I don't know the name, I can't see it, but I'll list everything down below and I'll write it down here for you guys. But as you can see, it's a white eyeliner pencil, and I will put that in the bottom lash line here. And you can see that it just opened up my eyes. As you can see, using the white eyeliner in the lower lash line brightened up, opened up my eyes, and that works well with blue eyeshadows. And it was really hard to not use the black eyeliner because I wanted to, you know, make my eyes pop, make them look open and awake. And this one does it by Makeup Forever, the Aqua XL. And again, I can't see the name. I don't see a name, either that or it's M16. Maybe that's the shade number, I guess you could say. But I'll list everything down below for you guys. But yeah, it does open up my eyes. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put my mascara on, and I'm going to use two mascaras. Again, I love my black eyeliner and I love my mascaras. And I'm going to go in with this one here by L'Oreal, the Unlimited, and then this one here by Lancome, Miss You're Big. And I'll do that off camera so it won't be too boring. But yeah, I'll be right back. I'm back, and I love layering my mascaras. I really do. And this one here by L'Oreal, the Unlimited Mascara in this little funky shaped bottle here. It's been really quite nice. What's nice about it is that the handle moves into an angle, which is quite nice. The only drawback, though, I do have to say, is that while I am putting on my mascara, sometimes I like to turn the wand, you know, just kind of roll it, you know, to get all the product from everywhere on the little bushy wand here. But I can remedy that by just straightening up the wand and do it that way. And then to get into the corners, just bend it. All right, now let's go in with a little bronzer here by Physicians Formula, the Butter Bronzer, and bronze up my face. All right, and the blush I'm using is by the Balm Cabana Boy. Love this blush here. A real pretty plummy rose shade here, and just lightly tap that in and give me a little blush. All right, and that part is it. The only thing now is I'm going to do my hair and come back and do the lipstick. But to let you know, I don't put any highlighter on since I'm using this primer by VDL, because it does give me a little bit of glow, so I don't want to put too much glow on, too much emphasis on my texture. So, all right, let me go do my hair, and I'll be back, and we'll do lipstick. All right, that looks a little bit better now that my hair is done. And I wore the same sweater, not the same shirt in that video because it's kind of dirty. So I'm just going to go ahead and wear this one with this pretty Barefoot Dreams cardigan. It is so soft, and on a cold day like this, it just feels so good. But anywho, let's go ahead and do the lipsticks. Since I do have a bright, colorful, dramatic eye, I'm going to go with the nude lip. And I'm going to go in with this one here by MAC, the lip liner first in the shade Spice. Don't pretty much overline my lips, maybe on this side because this one is a little bit thinner, but just a tad overline. And now I'm going to go in with this lipstick, also by MAC, in the shade Spirit. Pretty, this is my go-to nude. And let's go in with a little lip gloss here by Marc Jacobs, a little Sugar Sugar, and dab that on top. Alright, and there you go. That is the completed look using this palette here by Juvia's Place, the Saharan II. And I forgot to mention, before I did my hair, I spritzed my face with MAC Fix Plus, to set it in place. And before I did my hair so it doesn't get wet. But yeah, this is really nice. Love the sensation of this. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this blue eyeshadow tutorial. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.